Hello, my name is Meshell Baker. I am a speaker, trainer, coach, and I am submitting for the FedEx grant to continue building the platform Women in Sales and Influence. I recently, in the past, drove around the country in an RV with a question on it: what would you do if you knew you would not fail? And I am submitting for this grant to acquire another RV because I want to continue to support women. Women's businesses are growing at 2.5 times the national average, and I want to be in that space to help women to create successful sales strategies because without selling, the business is just a hobby. So I'm really looking for this grant to get the RV and to go around and to serve my clients and audiences and inspire women to turn those inner voice critics into cheerleaders and champions, and let's convert more conversations to clients. This is Meshell Baker, and I would love your vote. Thank you.